movement there.
Where's the Jeff?
Post it tomorrow.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on Wull on the channel. And this is just an intro video to make sure each news viewers and subscribers subscribe and like before watching, because we are going to have over the description of the video say, so stick around. Okay, my peeps, so we are kicking it off with this. Floyd resigned as agriculture minister since a video went viral with him broke the rules.
SKENG DON Look, no movement there.
Where's the Jeff?
Post it tomorrow.
I can say for one more them lose, them step down for charger. End of the day still is a messed up system where we Jamaicans, the citizens, face enough little things said where. So it would have unfair knowing that him charge them in a sense, like give them a penalty wise. So with that said, it's like we not gonna feel left out as Jamaican, cause I see them do some things to we from Woody, and them a broke the laws and move unruly, and them in a position where them feel council and ensure that things are run right in a certain laws and legislative. And watch it. You see my guys, Jaja. And you know what me I gonna share with you too, just for talk about the unruliness of the system. You see me, we have enough video for share with you today, guys. You know, tell me about one thing about Jamaica system after this.
Intellectual murder people edition. Kakampaya pull a gun like Remington. Fully charge up.
Yeah guys, so I don't want to copyright out of the music there and everything. Anyways, full video there. One Jamaica Star Observer said we it a circulate in a different manner, and honestly them I go face some disciplinary measures where it's like we understand how for them thing run for them campus. So for them discipline face in a different way, and when I say them would have to do that same way, but with that said guys, it's like Jamaica lose because certain people not to do certain things. If you get me, if you have morality, in a certain things, so guys, I want to think about it. Guys, if you still watch, want to know the drill. At every end of all on the video, there's a life. Footer hype, encourage Andrew to step down. Listen.
Good afternoon, good evening. Y'all do realize it's a Wednesday and we have Gallis Wednesdays tonight. Next Level Bar and Lounge, 441 State Route 7, Fort Lauderdale. Everybody know the spot, formerly called South Rock. Big up the Canada crew, big up everybody. When you realize
peeps, so
the present government of Jamaica
seems as if
with the Prime Minister
it's been a while about this thing before
in a big trouble.
The videos
You realize the trouble down foot?
You don't know them have a relationship with them have the understanding in what them are doing.
When you realize, I want to realize it.
Guys, I'm gonna share a reality video with you now, and you can see serious.
I've come to the conclusion, right?
And spice.
That you people and me, in terms of vision, are on the same level. No disrespect to my followers and nobody who watch it live, but it's clear that me and Uno not have the same sight. It's obvious that I am seeing way beyond the present time. Like today, me see 2 years ago already. See? Don't know if you recall when me say the best thing for the Prime Minister do is just step down as Prime Minister, remain as an MP, and make somebody else lead. We have to remember this, you know. And every time somebody in the position to lead means that them a leader. I want to understand what I'm saying, because sometimes we say some things people don't understand. It's not every time that somebody is in the position to lead means that they are a leader. If you don't understand that, let me know if you don't understand what that means. Okay, let me break it down for those who don't understand. Sometimes you have a person with leader ingredients. See? Meaning smartness, IQ, vision, decision making, all of that. But they are not equipped with the financial support or the public platform or the things that make the world see them as a leader. See? So what happened is they are aligned with somebody who has the financial support, the public platform, the fanfare and everything. Now the person with the public fanfare and the money and everything listens to this leader. This leader now becomes an advisor to the person with the amenities where a leader should have.
So the whole moment,
not the gifts.
things
I not have the gifts.
I don't know if you're right, guys.
The
if
connection
I was a script
and the platform.
From the kids run to him and
Right?
say daddy and thing, but
No.
leave comments if you know.
Obviously.
You don't want to debate about it.
The
So
Prime
world dog,
Minister
I don't know who put film face
does
on
not
IT boss,
know how
bad
to
guys,
lead.
but
It's
you know,
obvious.
kind of fit him. You know.
And
The game on him.
what's very dangerous for
RT
him,
dog,
the Prime Minister, is that
those
those who are advising him don't have the ingredients to lead either.
and say blessings to the international spiritual advisor.
You understand what I'm saying?
Isn't it?
Meaning,
So the
Andrew
people them
Works,
kind of
the Prime Minister,
think say
don't have the
it real at
ingredients to
first
lead.
cause the
He mean at the
Photoshop
position to lead, but he don't have the
perfect, isn't it?
ingredients to lead.
But
And
I
whosoever,
go and look out for some reading from word
See?
guys.
whosoever I
Thanks
take
for watching the video.
advice from,
This at the end.
don't have the ingredients to lead. Either because them a lead him in the wrong place. Love Kelly bought some badges. Big up yourself. I am just saying, when you are not blessed with the ingredients of leading, you have to surround yourself with people who can lead, so that them can advise you on how to lead properly. If me to speak the truth, Mr. Andrew Holness is literally embarrassed himself. Him just embarrass himself. And the weird thing about this, you know, him destroy the Jamaica Labour Party. Because let's be honest, if an election call right now, Labour right lose flying, Jamaica Labour Party lose flying. So the Prime Minister not only destroy film credibility, is also destroying the credibility of the Jamaica Labour Party. He might make even Labour right and lose faith in the Jamaica Labour Party. Now this has been happening for some time, because you have people before him who discredit the credibility of the Jamaica Labour Party. Me as a PNP can tell you, Bruce Golding was before Andrew. Now if you remember clearly, Bruce started doing some things where did unacceptable and did look away. Between Bruce and Desmond Mackenzie, them do the people them some things where make people did the hate labor right. One of the main things where them do, them destroy the heartbeat of the Jamaica Labour Party, which is Tivoli Garden, and how them deal with the situation with Dodos. See? Them make the people them lose faith in the Jamaica Labour Party. That's why Bruce Golding saw it fit to step down and leave politics, and then came Andrew. Right now, my advice to Andrew is to follow suit. Do like where Bruce did do. It'll get too much on it too heavy theme and him step left it and give it to you. Obviously you 10 times worse than Bruce. You understand? So my thing is, me not think Andrew for follow ego or what people are gonna say or what your family are gonna say or people are gonna look on you different. Just step down as Prime Minister, give somebody else a chance. It's too much for you. You see, I get overwhelmed. I go and say, Sep, what him mix up 2 months in a one when him make the speech and I make it's overwhelming. It a pressure you, brother. And nothing if you leave the job.